Good morning, friends! Today's adventure never ends. Hi, everyone! It's so wonderful to see you all. I love visiting you all in the barn. You're such a good cow giving us this fresh milk. There we go, nice and steady.
That's funny too.
Ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. Quack, quack goes a little duck. Bella jumps with joyful luck.
Quack, quack. Oink, oink.
That's silly, bud. Go, buddy, go! You're so fast! Woo! Yay! That was awesome! You're so cute. Come play with me. One, two, best.
Mama!
Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, bit. Gobble, gobble.
That's quite a wobble.
Squawk, 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 squawk.
Buzz, buzz.
Tweet, tweet,
Tweet, tweet. Let's sing a happy song.
tweet, tweet.
The meadow sings along.
Snore, snore.
Snort. La la la, what a magical day.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Goodbye, my dear friends.
Goodbye, Bella.
We'll miss you.
Safe travels.
Until next time.